Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see a real business scenario. So let me go to the packing slip. So I will go to my procurement and sourcing and let me go to purchase orders. And let me open Notepad as well. Alright, so the first thing is that when you open your packing slip form, okay, so assume you want to add few custom field there. Let's say there's a field called custom, or let me say something like manager approved, a field named as manager approved. Okay, and what do you want when the packing slip is done? Like when you actually post your packing slip, you want this data to get copied to your packing slip. So let the front end open first, then I will tell what is our requirement. Alright, so this form is open now, and let me open a purchase order. Okay, let me open this one. Yep. So let me go here. So I'll create my own. I'll say new, and let me create a purchase order first. Here I can choose any vendor. Let me choose this Acme Office Supplies. And here let me specify site and warehouse. Let me pick any random. Okay, one, and let me specify here K11, and let me click OK. Let me define a random product here. I'll say this as I will pick this Surface Pro 128 CP. Alright, so let me confirm this purchase order. So I will save it. Okay, and I'm going to confirm this purchase order. Now once I confirm, then I will post the packing slip. Let me confirm this first. Okay, so this is confirmed now. Alright, so now what I will do, I'll click here. Alright, so what I wanted to do, when I post this product receipt, let's say I want to add one more field here. Let us assume the field name is like manager comments or something like this. Okay, so it could be any field. So we'll create a field like this. And now so if you see this particular table, so let's go to this Purch edit line form. So I will open my AOT, go to Application Explorer, and let me go to User Interfaces, Forms, and let me go to this Purch edit lines. Let me open this form. Alright, so now when you go to data source here, Purch param table, let's go to table here. Yeah, so this is the actual table. So what I will do, so I will create a custom field here, okay, into this particular table, Purch param table. So for that, I'm going to create extension of this table first. Now to create extension of my standard table is I simply need to open that table, that is Purch param table, and I will simply create extension here. And let me go to my solution explorer. Now here my this field is ready. Now I need to add that custom field. Now one way is to create EDT first, that is the recommended approach, but I'm going to do it directly because we are just doing a demo here. I will go to properties and let me edit and let me move the properties also here. Alright, so I will say this as something called like manager notes, something like this, and let me put a label as well on manager notes, and I will save this. Alright, so now we have added this field here, and then the next section would be to, so I'll need to close and I will need to reopen this form. So let me again open the form, and actually I will need to create extension as well because I want to add this field to my form as well. So I'll say purge edit lines. I'll simply create an extension of this form. Okay, param table. Yeah, alright. So now I will go to my solution explorer. Let me open this field. Sorry, let me open this form. Okay, so the form is open now. And now let me try to see if that manager approved field is coming here or not. So I can simply search for manager notes. Okay, it is coming. Then I have a lot of tabs here. Let me see where I want to. So let me see if I want to add this field to my line level. Okay, so let me say, let me try to add this field here only. This is tab page param table. So tab page param table. So I will add my field inside this grid. Okay, and let me say manager notes. Where is my manager notes? I will copy and I will drag this. I think I have edited the wrong place. What I will do, I will simply copy this. I will paste it here. And now I will move this field to somewhat upward. Let's say just next to product, or maybe here. Yeah, okay. Alright, so now let's save this form. Now the interesting thing here is this particular table, this purge from tables, they are intermediate tables. But whereas when the actual posting is done, that is done on when packing slip journal table. So now we need to copy this data to our actual table. Our actual table is when packing slip journal. So what I will do now, I will create extension of that table first. So let me say when packing slip journal, and I will create extension, and now I will add that manager approved field there as well. So what I can do, I can simply copy this field from here. Let me try to paste it here. Let me try it one more time. Okay, here it pasted and a label is also coming. Alright, so now I have the field in both the table, because when you do the posting at the time, this is the intermediate table. So now I need to write a code when actually the posting or this product receipt will get posted. So for that I can go to again AOT, and I will go to my classes. So I will go to my classes code class, and so when the packing slip this happens, so there is a famous class that we need to use. So I'm waiting for this class section to get expand. Yeah, here we go. Now it has expanded. So I'm going to search for Purch Packing Slip Journal Create. There are many subclasses as well. So I'm going to go to View Designer, and let me first of all view the code. So you'll find a lot of methods, and here the method that I am interested in is called init header. This one. So here it actually, when this posting is done at that time, the data gets copied from here. So you see the post table number, translate, document status, like document state. So all this gets copied. So we'll create a COC of this class. Now to create a COC of this class, the simplest method would be simply click on this create code extension. Alright, so now my class is ready. I will open this class. We right click and view code. Now as I have created a COC of this class, so I will use that function, that is public void init header. So I need to debug the code to understand like what is the actual class. Then here I can do the next call, and at the end I can simply say when packing slip journal dot what was the field name, let me copy this, copy it here, equals to you can get this data from your purch param table dot, here also you have same field manager notes. Let me save this, we'll save this, and let me trigger the build here. Let's see the sync option is enabled because we have added two fields in the schema in the database, so the sync is necessary in this case. So my build is completed now, and let me go back to front end and let's verify. So we have created this purchase order a few minutes back, that is Acme Office Solution 1, where this 39 number. So let me open this. Okay, this was not the one. Let me come down. Let me refresh this. So this is not our purchase order. Oh, this 125 is the one that we created a few minutes back. Let me open this. Yeah, this was the one that we picked. So when you will go to product receipt, yeah, here now you see this manager notes field is coming for us. And I can say here like manager report looks good, something like this. Okay, and this is the maximum limit of my string that I have put in like 10 characters. So I'm not able to enter apart from this. And let me say the product receipt as product receipt 123. and when I will click OK, this is posting. Okay, so this is completed now, product receipt. So now when you will go to product receipt, okay, and here when you will insert the columns, and you see this manager notes field that is from vendor product receipt, that is vendor packing slip journal table, that gets copied while you did posting, right? So let me reiterate what we did in this video. When we are trying to post a product receipt, at a time we want to copy the records from our purge pump table to our pen packing slip journal. So for that, initially what we did, we added both the fields in our both the table, that is into our this purge param table, from which we can do posting, and this when packing slip journal where our actual data resides. Further, we added this field into our form here. And then at the end, we have used this PurchPackingSlip journal create class, and here we have used this init header method, and we simply did the next call as this was a COC, and then at the end we copy the notes from our param table to our this when packing slip journal table, and this purge param table. So we get the purge param table from here, like from this param method into this purge packing slip journal create class. So thank you for watching this video.